So, everyone must now see those marching ants, sorts of marching ants, quite complex selection. And what you will do right now is go back to your pattern picture. So you may use the Control tab in order to switch from one picture to the other, Control tab. Or at the bottom of the window menu, you have a list of all of the pictures opened right now into Photoshop. So you are able to go from one to the other that way too. So here on your pattern picture, the repeated pattern, you will ask for Control A. So it's select all. So you'll see the marching ants on the side of the picture, so every pixel is selected. You will ask for copy, so Control C, of course. And you go back on the picture of your car, and don't go too fast, because it's not a Control V. We will ask for something else, but first let's have a look at the layers panel. Go and grab your layers panel, window layers. So we only have one layer of pixels right now. I'm just going to the panels options in the menu of the layers panel and ask for larger thumbnails. But it's okay. Okay. In the menu of the layers panel options, and I just asked for large thumbnails. So only one layer of pixels for now. Let's ask for edit, paste special, and paste into. Edit, paste special, paste into. And there you have your pattern coming onto a new layer, and the section is not showing up anymore on the picture. You don't see the marching ants, but the selection has been transformed into a layer mask. So the result may be not quite good, but it's not a problem. Don't think it's a problem if some of your pattern goes outside of the car, like here, or is not on some parts of the car. It's not a problem at all. First, we will put the shadows and lights, and then, if it's okay, we'll make the selection better. Great. So we just used the paste into functionality, but we could achieve the same result with some of our techniques in Photoshop, of course. So that's a selection we did, which has been transformed into a layer mask, and that layer mask is not linked to the pixels of its layer. As you may see, there's no chain here. If you click, the little link is coming, the little chain is coming. But if you click once again, it goes. So you must not have a chain here. It's a layer mask not linked to its pixels. Okay, work on the layer mask of that layer. So you have the little frame here telling that you're working on the layer mask. Sorry, work on the pattern, not the layer mask. So you have the frame here on the left part of the layer. You're working on the pattern, not the layer mask. Sorry, that's it. You work on the left part of the layer and use some tools here, like the move tool, and try to move the pattern onto the car, like that. So you are able to see that the layer mask do not move. It is not linked to the pixels. Zoom out. It's really important in Photoshop to zoom out sometimes. And having zoomed out, you are able now to do a free transform. Go into the edit menu and ask for a free transform or Control T. That's a shortcut. And with the free transform, you are able to rotate the pattern, put your cursor just outside of the frame, and rotate. If you did not zoom out, maybe you will not see the frame, of course. You have to zoom out in order to see that frame and act and do the free transform. Great. So you may apply the free transform with the V, the little V on the option bar. And let's save the file. File save. So it's already a PSD file. We saved it once in PSD format, so no problem. So the result is not really good, but then we'll go grab the shadows and lights from the original picture and put them above the pattern, and then it will look a lot more better.